One of the most important things we need to do with our money is that we need to get organized. We need to know exactly where all of our records are. So that's the first step towards becoming more organized and more focused on planning your budgets and thinking about how you're going to be earning and spending your money. So you need to put your banking documentation all together in a folder or on your computer if you're using online banking mechanisms. If you've got any loans, understand what your loan repayments are and make sure that you do those loan repayments on time, because when you're late you're spending money, more money that you don't have on repaying it, because they will ping you quite badly for any overdue payments. Make sure you have all the documentations together, and in your diary set out when those payments are for, how much they are for, and how long, so that you have an end date in mind. Make sure that your tax returns and anything that is associated with your tax, so your receipts and all that kind of thing, are neatly organized in a folder. And make sure you organize them every single month. Don't wait. Place them in the folder every single month. Go through your bank statements and then file your receipts. If you have any investments, make sure that you have a safe place for all of your investments where you can keep records and you can refer back to see how much money you've earned from those investments. And then lastly, you want a space for all of your important certificates. So your birth certificates, death certificates, your will, your power of attorney, maybe your mortgage documentation will be in there as well. So any really important documents, your passports, make sure you have them all together. And I do suggest that if they're in physical format, that you have them in a fireproof safe that you can lock away. So I hope that helps you to start getting your mind organized and your banking documentation, your loan documentation, all of your documents organized so you know exactly where to find them and what is in those folders.